Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a stunning AI underwater cinematic photo effect using Gemini Nano Banana tool. It's super easy. Just upload your photo and then type a prompt and let the AI transform it instantly. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can use the mobile app. And then just log in with your Google account and then just go to create image or just tap on create image to access Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. Make sure the image has a clear subject, ideally a person, because we'll be creating a cinematic underwater scenes with them as the main focus. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now comes the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. This prompt is super detailed, but you don't need to keep it exactly the same. Just feel free to tweak the prompt. You can simplify it. Change the color, or add your own creative twist. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo will transform into a breathtaking underwater cinematic shot like this. It's pretty cool, right? It looked like it was taken with a professional underwater camera setup. And okay, that's it. You can now create your own epic underwater photo effects using Gemini Nano Banana. Just try experimenting with different prompts to make it unique. And if this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.